Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the mind of one of the most iconic and polarizing business figures of our time, Donald J. Trump. Love him or hate him, there's no denying that Trump has built a global brand and amassed considerable wealth over the years. From real estate to reality TV, he's mastered the art of leveraging opportunities. So, what are his secrets to financial success? Let's break it down. 1. Start with a vision. Donald Trump has always emphasized the importance of having a clear vision. Early in his career, he knew he wanted to dominate the real estate market in New York City. He envisioned skyscrapers bearing his name and worked tirelessly to make it happen. A key takeaway here is that you must define what success looks like for you. Without a vision, you're just wandering aimlessly. 2. Learn from the best. Trump didn't start from scratch, and he's the first to acknowledge that. He learned the ropes of the real estate business from his father, Fred Trump, who was a successful developer in Brooklyn and Queens. Donald expanded upon his father's business model, scaling it to unprecedented heights. His advice? Study successful people, learn their strategies, and then innovate to surpass them. 3. Take calculated risks. Trump is no stranger to risks. In fact, he thrives on them. From acquiring properties in the heart of Manhattan to launching his own reality TV show, The Apprentice, Trump has always embraced the potential for failure as part of the journey. The key, according to him, is to take calculated risks. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and trust your instincts. 4. Leverage the power of branding. One of Donald Trump's greatest secrets is his ability to turn his name into a brand. Whether it's Trump Tower, Trump Golf Courses, or Trump Steaks, he ensures that his name stands for luxury and success. He's said time and again, your brand is your most valuable asset. So, focus on building a strong personal or business brand that people can trust and recognize. 5. Master the art of negotiation. Trump has written extensively about negotiation in his book The Art of the Deal. He believes that every business deal is an opportunity to maximize value. His top negotiation tips include: always aim high and expect the best outcome. Know your worth and never settle for less. Understand the other party's needs and use that knowledge to your advantage. 6. Build strategic partnerships. No empire is built alone. Trump has always emphasized the importance of surrounding yourself with the right people. He's collaborated with architects, financiers, and marketing experts to bring his projects to life. The lesson? Build a network of skilled individuals who complement your strengths. 7. Embrace failure and bounce back. Trump's journey hasn't been without setbacks. He's faced bankruptcies, lawsuits, and public scrutiny. But his resilience has been a cornerstone of his success. He often says, what separates the winners from the losers is how a person reacts to each new twist of fate. Don't fear failure, use it as a learning experience and bounce back stronger. 8. Diversify your income streams. While Trump is best known for real estate, he's also ventured into other industries like television, books, and even beauty pageants. Diversification has allowed him to weather economic downturns and stay financially robust. The takeaway? Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore multiple income streams to secure your financial future. 9. Think big and stay confident. Trump's larger-than-life persona is no accident. He believes in thinking big and projecting confidence, even in the face of uncertainty. According to him, if you're going to be thinking anyway, you might as well think big. Confidence attracts opportunities, so never underestimate its power. 10. Leverage debt wisely. Trump has often spoken about the strategic use of debt. Unlike bad debt, which drains your resources, good debt is used to fund investments that generate income. For example, Trump has used loans to finance major real estate projects, knowing the returns would outweigh the costs. The lesson? Understand the difference between good and bad debt and use it to your advantage. 11. Stay in the spotlight. Whether it's through his business ventures, political career, or controversial statements, Trump has always managed to stay in the public eye. His philosophy is simple: visibility equals opportunity. If people don't know who you are, they can't do business with you. So, make sure to market yourself effectively. 12. Never stop learning. Despite his success, Trump has always emphasized the importance of continuous learning. He reads extensively, studies market trends, and seeks advice from experts. In his words, the more you learn, the more you earn. So, stay curious and never stop improving your skills. Conclusion. In conclusion, Donald Trump's secrets to gaining wealth boil down to vision, risk-taking, branding, resilience, and continuous learning. Whether you agree with his methods or not, there's a lot to learn from his journey. Remember, success isn't about luck, it's about strategy, persistence, and execution. So, go out there, dream big, and start building your empire today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of business and success. See you next time.